Welcome back to Buona's Kitchen. Today we will make Buko Pie. Buko Pie is a Filipino-style coconut pie made of young coconut meat, or also known as buko, and enclosed in a pie crust. This pie is a favorite pasalubong mostly bought in Laguna, where it is known to have originated. Are you ready? Let's get baking! For the dough, we will need 2.5 cups of plain flour, half cup of cold water, half cup of cold unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 1 medium egg, and half teaspoon of salt. For the filling, we will need 2 packs of frozen shredded young coconut, or about 2.5 cups of fresh buko, half cup of plain flour, half cup of water, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 medium egg, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and half cup of powdered milk. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. To start, combine together the flour, sugar, and salt. Then, add in the cold butter and cut it into the flour until coarse crumbs are formed. Now, add in the water, egg, and vinegar. Mix them together. And using your clean hands, gather them together until you form a dough. Divide the dough into half. Shape it into a ball. Flatten it a bit and wrap it with cling film. Do the same with the other dough. Chill them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. For the filling, combine together the flour, sugar, powdered milk, and salt. Mix them together. Add in the water, vanilla extract, an egg, mix them together until well combined. And set this aside. After 30 minutes, transfer the dough onto a work surface and cover the top with another cling film and flatten it using a rolling pin until it becomes so thin. And make sure that the size is enough to cover the pie dish that you're gonna use. Remove the cling film and arrange it into a pie dish. Now, remove the remaining cling film and cut the excess dough. Then, poke holes in the base of the dough using a fork. Pour about 3 to 4 tablespoons of the mixture. And spread it evenly. Then, put in the buko or the shredded young coconut. And pour the remaining mixture. And cover it with the other dough that has been flattened. Cut the excess. Pinch the edge to seal. And decorate it as you like. You can do like this, or you can just use a fork to seal the edges. Poke holes on top of the dough. And brush it with egg wash. Just beat 1 egg. Then, bake this in a preheated oven of 170 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 40 minutes or until the top is golden brown. And here's our finished product! This pie is delicious and perfect for snack or dessert. I hope you'll give this a try. And this is what it looks like inside. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!